I found Urban Workshop about 18 months ago when I outgrew both the tools and the space I had at my home workshop. Came in and was completely blown away by the facility, but even more so the people here and what they were making. And it's been both a huge help but also an inspiration, and the sense of the members helping members get things done and learn and not only progress their skills but also their ambitions has been just a huge unexpected plus. I've rebuilt 3 cars here. I'm about to tear into a motorcycle, which I'd never done before and probably wouldn't have without the workshop and the experience I had to this point. And it allows you to tackle projects that are probably too daunting for just a regular home mechanic. Similarly, on the woodworking side, there are just things that you can't do at home unless you're willing to spend, in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars in tools that are all here to be able to be used. So it kind of removes that normal barrier that most of us have as hobbyists to really think, dream, and then act and build bigger than you'd ever have a chance to do as just a private guy at home in your garage or private workshop. Pick a project that you want to go after or need to go after or have been dreaming about going after, and just do it. Even if you don't have the skills yet, people here will help you. And I think part of the benefit is that this is an incubator, truly an incubator for ideas and capabilities and projects that help you get it done, that you simply wouldn't be able to without the workshop, right? And it's more than just the tools, it's the community. People help people here, and that is a huge plus and definitely part of what makes it such a special place. Tom Deutsch, and I've been a proud member of Urban Workshop for 18 months.